Okay, Lowell, your radio is done. So she looks good. So I thought I had a new lid for this, and it doesn't fit. It's close, but no cigar. I was going to replace your lid. I got the bottom cleaned up. I've detailed all the chassis. Looks really nice. Cleaned up as many bad solder joints as I could possibly do. And this thing is nice. Cleaned up all the pots. The pots were really dirty. So they're nice and smooth now. And yeah. I got the LED working, and it's actually, I think, a tad bit brighter. So there were bad solder joints in the power supply to this, and then the solder joints that joined two boards together were broken apart. So I redid all those and brought it back. So I'm way psyched about that. Nice white LED in the meter there. I hope that's balanced out enough. The meter works really well. I have replacements, but they're upside down. Oh, that's upside down. And yeah, it'll be nice, but anyway, I had to rebuild this one. So I refurbished this one, put a white LED behind it, and it looks sweet. Alright, let's see here. Let's see, on 17 is where my monitor is on. I'm using my old SBE base for a monitor. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm on a 0 SWR here, about a 1-to-1. So on sideband, we're going to get about 25, 30 watts, just as about your average talk power. Hello, hello. We can almost hit 40. And that's not peak That's not peak reading, by the way. That's RMS. And I got you on AM here with beautiful 100% modulation. And let me put it on dummy load. I'm on an antenna here. And on the dummy load, we're at 4 watts straight up. And your beep. Sounds pretty good. I'm using my CR577 mic on it. I'll go back to an antenna. And the meter works great. Hello, 1, 2. 1, 2. It's modulation mode. Oh no, that was RF mode, sorry. Modulation is set for exactly 100% on the meter and on the radio. Noise blanker. I have 0 noise up here. I'm gonna miss this. 10 KC, your Roger beep, all this works. All these pots have been cleaned. I took everything apart because I had to take the front and everything off to get to the meter. So I actually polished all the glass on it in the front end. I got it as good as I could. It's not perfect. Polished all the knobs. Got all the grime out of there. I mean, because if it's going to work good, it's got to look good. Nice. I cannot wait to deliver this to you. I could send it to you, but I'm not going to. I'm going to deliver this to you by hand. So, anyway, cool. I hope you enjoy. This thing was badass. Badass. Here's your little baggie of parts. I got like your light parts and all that crap here. I'll throw that in too. But anyway, yeah, she looks nice. Look at it. It actually shines. That's kind of cool. Alright. Now I can go back to packing. Anyway, this has been a good project for me. I'm glad it worked out well. I was really kind of scared on how this was going to come out because it did not look pretty inside. But it works. So there's a 30-30, the patented Wagon Master 30-30 warranty. 30 seconds or 30 feet, whichever comes first. Cool. Nice. These are nice sideband radios. Okay, see ya.